Hi, people. Before I begin, I simply want to say that I already brought this story briefly up in the past, but only as a one liner. This is the story in full format. I'll never forget cleaning up after myself again. Hello, I'm Hugo. I want to share a story about back in the day when I was a security guard or night watchman or evening supervisor at a plant. I'm currently 45 and this happened when I was in my 20s. I used to work for a processing plant, specifically dealing with cooking oil. What I specifically did was not just basic security work. We were essentially the custodians of the place, so we look after the entire place and we had keys to all the departments, etc., etc. We also had to wear these kind of navy blue suits, so not basic security guard getup like you might envision. When I use the phrase security guard, I'm simply playing it fast and loose with the term. Of course, based on the description of the job, you can imagine that it bears a lot of responsibility, but I was game because it pays well, or paid well, better said, which is unsurprising. Anyways, moving on. There was a large open plain with flat grass behind the building or structure that was unused, but as far as I remember, it was official property of the company. Now, on to the core of the story. On one evening when I was at work, I all of a sudden had to go to the bathroom, and it dawned on me that the stomach cramps I was having was due to spicy food I had indulged myself in earlier in the evening. To my horror, it turned out that my colleague that had the day shift by accident left with the keys to the bathroom. I tried to hold it in for as long as possible, but I realized that that was not going to be an option and that I was going to quote unquote explode if I didn't go soon. Without seeing any other option, the only thing I could think of was to go on that empty terrain behind the building. I did so, and when I was done, I all of a sudden felt total paralysis come over me that made it so that I was fixed in place as well as body position. In a panic, I wanted to make noise, but nothing came out of my mouth in the way of a sound or noise. It was like I was mute as well. And then I heard a voice repeat the following 3 times. See to it that you clean up after yourself when you're done, otherwise we're going to fuck you up. All of this happened in the span of seconds. I shiveringly went to get a shovel in the wake of the ordeal and buried my waist. I honestly couldn't work up the courage to even remotely talk about it to anyone. It was only after half a year that I gradually opened up and told a colleague of mine that I was on relatively speaking good terms with, to the point where I could consider him a friend. He was a lot older than me and had worked considerably longer for the company, as well as the fact that he knew more, therefore, about the establishment. He then told me that that empty plot of land behind the building, that is where back in colonial times a slave plantation used to be located or situated.